Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make banana pudding quickly and simply. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need about 3 to 4 ripe bananas, 1 box of vanilla wafers, 2 3.4-ounce packages of instant vanilla pudding mix, 4 cups of cold whole milk, and 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the pudding base. In a large bowl, combine the 2 3.4-ounce packages of instant vanilla pudding mix with 4 cups of cold whole milk. Whisk these together vigorously for about 2 minutes until the mixture starts to thicken. This quick step is crucial for a smooth consistency. Then, let it sit for just 5 minutes to firm up a bit before layering. This is where the magic happens. Start by placing a single layer of vanilla wafers at the bottom of your 2-quart serving dish. Next, add a layer of your freshly sliced ripe bananas. You'll use about 3 to 4 medium bananas for this. Then, spoon half of your prepared pudding mixture evenly over the bananas. Repeat these layers once more, finishing with the rest of the creamy pudding. Almost done, cover your assembled banana pudding and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully and the wafers to soften just right. Before serving, gently spread an 8-ounce container of whipped topping over the entire surface. For a final flourish, you can garnish with a few extra vanilla wafers or banana slices. Enjoy your quick and simple, delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.